Hello guys, welcome to Toxic Trading Academy's Discord server. As you can see here in Discord, by default you would have direct messaging enabled. So all your friends, your direct messages will be here, up here, and you can go to that particular person and talk to them. But what we are doing here, is we head to the server of Toxic Trading and you'll see a bunch of channels here. These are called channels, alright? We call all these channels. And in Discord, when you come to the welcome channel in our server, as you can see here, just tap this. There is a whole text guide here that tells you how to use this channel. I'm not going to go too much into depth about this particular text channel, and I'm not going to go into each and every one of these things here. You can read that for yourself and explore the channel as you like. This server contains everything, and this descriptive guide explains and takes you to each page as you like. So for example, if you come here and you want to go to the rules page, just tap here. You can come back. You could come back and go to terms and conditions if you like. Now you can navigate everything by clicking these purple color links. Okay. Now you don't have access to this particular channel because you need to get the permission for that. You need to get access towards that particular channel in order to see it. So you go back. You're in the welcome channel. Everything is updated here. All the new changes that we make to the server will be updated here in text. Okay. The video guide that you're watching right now will be here. It will be down below, and we will also update it. This is actually the previous video guide that we created. Anytime you come to the server, come to the welcome channel and you will know exactly how to navigate through our server. So once you're in our official Discord server, you just need to go to the welcome channel and you will have the latest updated guide to using the server right there at your disposal. Okay, it's right here. You can just read through this. You have to read through this. Everything is explained here. Alright. Now you will see a number of channels that are mentioned here as no access, that you don't have access to it. You need to get access by contacting one of us on the channel, and I'll explain to you how to do that just now, and this is the main purpose of this guide, so that you understand how to get the most out of this server. In order to get the most out of the server, you need to get premium access. It is a paid service. Okay. So what you do, go to the welcome channel, read these. It says here that you need to first go to the rules and read the rules and understand the terms and conditions. So go to the rules, read these, understand what this means, right? What's said here. I'll leave you to that. Go to terms and conditions and read the terms and conditions, because this is the terms and conditions that pertains to your membership. What you buy here is a membership. You're not buying a course, you're not buying signals, you're buying a membership. We are offering you a membership in our Discord server, and once you get that membership, you get access to our courses, our signals, and everything under a single plan. So before we get access to making the payment and all that, let me just show you what channels we have available right now. As a free member, you can see these many channels in Toxic Trading community. So as you can see, you have Forex news here, videos and posts, announcement. Okay. If you go to videos and posts, you'll see all our YouTube content here. Anything we upload on YouTube, you will see it here. Announcements will contain all our announcements to the community. In the past, it used to be one channel, but now we made it two separate channels. So the old announcements are here in videos and posts. In videos and posts, you also get Forex news. This is the news of today. Okay, so you can always minimize and expand categories here. So when you come here, what you have access to for free is you have news and updates. You have a general chat where you can talk to members of the community. There are chats going on in here, right? You have a channel for community trades. We don't have members posting here yet. This is actually for you guys, for the free members and for the paid members to post their trades in the community. So you can post any trade opportunity that you have based on your strategy in the community for others to also benefit from this. Because the point of this community is to help each other out and help each other grow. We only charge you for the course and the advanced concepts that we are teaching you, and also for the premium signals. So any opportunity that we give you, which has very high probability, we're going to charge you for that. Alright, and it is just a single membership that you have to renew every month. Let me specify, you have to renew it every month. Otherwise, you lose the membership. It's just a monthly plan. So anytime you feel like you need signals or you need to learn the course, you need to revisit the course, pay the membership, you get 1 month access to everything and you can utilize it. You also get to talk to us. You get to talk to us, you get to discuss your trades, you get to also ask doubts. Everything is available under a single payment, a single membership plan. All right. Okay, I also want to mention that you have a free course here, free starter guide, which tells you how to use MetaTrader. Okay, since most of the people here in this community are Keralites, Malayalis, we have this guide in Malayalam. This is actually the guide on how to get started in Forex. So in future, we will have another guide in English for members of other states or outside India. All right. So you can navigate that there, and you have premium signal results. These are the results of every trade that we take on a daily basis. We post every result here. So all the signals that we provide to you, the premium signals that you will get access to under the membership, you will see the results of those signals posted here in this particular channel. We post all our wins and our losses. So we'll post all the wins and all the losses in this channel right here. So while you're a free member, you can see our performance and you can decide whether or not you want to join the premium membership. All right. So coming back, you need to go to terms and conditions. We have set it up this way so that you know the terms and conditions before you make a payment. So without coming to terms and conditions, you cannot make the payment. You cannot get the membership. If you need to become a member, a premium member, you need to read these terms and conditions, and once you have read it, just hit thumbs up. See that? Hit thumbs up. All right, and you will get access to this one. You got it? So if you don't hit thumbs up, you don't have access. Sorry, you have temporarily. Yeah, you lost your access. You don't have access unless you have accepted the terms and conditions. So read this, understand this, hit a thumbs up, react to this particular message, and then you get access to payment instructions. So if you go back now, in terms and conditions, hit a thumbs up, and when you do, you'll get a payment instructions channel here. Can you see it? It's here. Okay, payment instructions. We can enter this channel through here or via terms and conditions itself. Hit this one. You're in the payment instructions channel. Now, in order to join our membership, what you need to do, all that you need to do is hit apply to join. Apply to join, and one of our staff will contact you within the new thread. I'll show you what that is. So once you hit apply to join, a ticket is opened. Okay. You see this here? That's your ticket channel. So this channel is a temporary channel for you to talk to our staff who will guide you through the payment process. And once you're done with the payment process, this channel will disappear. So just tap on this one and you come to this private channel, which is opened by Toxic Trading Academy. Means I open this one. So if you open it, it'll show your name here. All right, your username will be shown here. Welcome, Toxic Trading Academy. Thank you for reaching out to our support team. Please describe your issue. All right, so I can talk here. I can say, hi, I need to get my membership. Within 2 working days, one of our staff will contact you and guide you through the process. So once that is done, a staff member will close this ticket and give you access. So a staff member comes here and talks to you, and once they have done it, they'll be like, I'm closing this ticket. And once they close it, ticket has been closed. You see this? Ticket has been closed. Once this is closed, you get out and it's no longer there. There's no more a ticket channel. Alright? So you come here, you tap this one, it has been closed, right? Dismiss message, and it's gone. It's completely gone. Once you made the payment, that particular channel, the temporary channel, is gone. So after having made the payment, the particular staff member that guided you through the payment process will give you a community member role. Once that person, which is our staff, assigns you a role of community member, you then get access to all the premium content. So I'll show you how that works. So once you made the payment by opening payment instructions and hitting apply to join, once you made the payment there, and once our staff has verified that you made the payment, you will get a whole bunch of new channels that are not visible here right now, accessible for viewing and for communicating. You will get new channels to chat. You will also get new channels where you get the signals. So let's see how that happens. Now the member gives me a community member role, and once I get this, you can see that I got premium community chat, which is a new channel that I got, fractality trading signals, toxic trading signals, The free starter guide is still here. You have an LCM course videos. LCM is lower time frame continuation model. It is a strategy we developed from Toxic Trading Theorem course, Triple T, TTT course. So from Toxic Trading Theorem, we developed LCM, which is lower time frame continuation model. Lower time frame is LTF. LTF continuation model is LCM. All right. So you have two courses apart from the free starter guide, which is LCM. So there are 9 videos of LCM. It's written here, the description of LCM, which is a course that helps you to take continuation trades along with the trend. And then you have our main course, which is Toxic Trading Theorem course, which is the parent course. So here you have like how much? 11 videos as of now. There are a few more that's still releasing. So anything that's updated will come here. I think 2 more videos have to come here, and by that, Toxic Trading Theorem will be completely uploaded in this particular channel. So you have those two, and then you have signals. So under signals, earlier you could only see previous signal results, but now you have fractality trading signals, which is the signals from, it is a mix of LCM and some of my experience from trading. I'm one of the members in Toxic Trading Academy, and I am the one in charge of posting signals in fractality trading signals. There's also another member who is taking this course, Toxic Trading Theorem, who will be posting signals in Toxic Trading Signals, which is a completely different set of signals, which gives you high RR returns. So most of these trades close in the same day or the next day. So you get these signals here, which hits the target within the same day or the next day. So every day you get a trade opportunity that is posted to you in these channels. And this is all accessible to you under the same payment that you make. You make a payment here, you get the membership. A single membership gives you access to all the signals here and all the courses here. Okay? With that, you can even earn back the fees you pay. So you get so much value from the membership that the income you generate from taking trades using the signals we provide you here under the membership, just that income will be enough to cover your membership fee and more. You will get your profits from the market enough to cover your membership fee, so you get more than your membership fee plus the profits that you can keep. Alright? So the whole idea is that once you come to Toxic Trading Academy, you not only learn, but you can also earn with us at the same time that you learn. So while you're going through these courses and learning, you can take trades using the signals and you can earn money. So fractality trading signals are slightly low RR, whereas toxic trading signals are of high RR. Using these two channels, you can make money as you learn from these. So what I recommend you do right now is go to the free starter guide and learn how to get into trading. So learn to get started with trading using this video here. This will give you information about choosing a broker, navigating the broker interface, linking MetaTrader 5, deposit and withdrawal, and placing trades. Whereas the one below here, this gives you an idea of how to use TradingView. So first watch these two videos. After you finish watching this one, the one you're watching right now, watch these two, understand how forex trading works, and once you do, come straight to terms and conditions, give us a thumbs up, and head to payment instructions, open a ticket, make the payment, and come join us in premium community chat where we have all our discussions about the trades we take every single day. So many messages are posted here every single day about our trading activity, and the free members cannot see this particular channel. What you get to see is general chat, which has very little communication going on, very little activity going on right now. But once you become a member, you can come to premium community chat and you can learn everything from us. You can ask us doubts here, we clarify all that. You can also ask us doubts here in this community members exclusive spot where you can ask doubts about the courses you watch. So for example, you go through these courses, you can ask doubts related to the course here in this channel where only the students and the admins are there. Even the staff cannot see the questions you ask. It will be completely clear to you by one of us. Alright? So that is basically what you need to know when you come to Toxic Trading Academy's server on Discord. Anything else you need to know, anything else you need to explore, you can just go to the welcome channel, and everything is written here as a text guide. It's all written in text. Read this and understand it. Alright, so hope you have a great day. Thank you for joining me on this guide, and see you in premium community chat.